imagine speaking English while exploring a futuristic city full of flying cars and neon lights? Today, you'll... Wow, this city looks amazing. I have never seen buildings like these. Wow, look at those tall buildings. They are shining in the sky. I feel a little nervous, but I am also excited.
Let's walk down this street. I want to explore more.
Wow, the lights are beautiful. This place feels alive.
Excuse me, is this seat free? Yes, you can sit here.
Are you new in the city? Hey.
Yes, we arrived today.
That sounds exciting.
Welcome to our city.
People here seem friendly. I already feel better.
What do you like to do?
I love exploring new places.
This cafe looks cozy. Let us go inside.
The drinks here smell nice. I will try this one.
Do you come here often? Yes, it's my favorite place.
We are happy to meet you. We need new friends here. Volkan, don't worry about the city. You will get used to it. Look! A flying car! That is so cool!
The future feels exciting.
There is so much to see. Let's alone. Let's visit the tech market. You will like it there.
These robots are helpful.
They make life easier.
I am learning new things. This city teaches me a lot.
The park looks peaceful. Let's sit for a while. I like talking with you. You are very kind. Yeah. Friendship makes everything better. Even a new city feels like home. The sky looks beautiful now. The sunset is glowing.
Today was a great day.
I am glad we came here.
Thank you for showing us around.
We really appreciate it. We really appreciate it.
Tomorrow will be another adventure. We can explore more places.
I feel more confident now. I am not afraid anymore.
New places bring new chances. And new friends bring happiness.
This city feels like home now. Our new life starts here.
Good morning, my friend. Are you ready, Teddy, to go out?
Yes, I am ready. Where are we going today?
Let's take the SkyTrain. It moves very fast.
Wow, the view from here is amazing. I can see the whole city.
This city never sleeps. It is always full of light.
Look at that big screen.
It shows news from the future.
Technology is everywhere here.
Lights out.
Life feels easier. Do you miss your old home?
A little, but I feel happy here.
New places change us. They make us stronger.
Let's try that food stall. It smells delicious. This food tastes great. I love trying new dishes.
You're Dingout fan? There. I am glad we met you. You helped us a lot.
Friends make journeys special. Memories become beautiful. Let's walk near the river lights. The night view is magical.
The city looks like a dream.
Everything shines softly.
I feel peaceful right now. This moment is perfect.
Thank you for today.
That resets aren't totally much fun.
I had so much fun.
Tomorrow we start something new. A new school and new goals. I am not scared anymore. I feel brave now.
This future city gave us hope.
Our journey is just beginning.
Okay, friends. See you next video.
Like and subscribe a channel.